Welcome to the module on introduction of AI agents and anything. What is AI agents? We call them. Your first step in the future of AI, artificial automation, is AI agents. In this module, we unlock how AI agents revolutionize or change your workflow, introducing you to no-code tools that make it happen with the N10 tools like that. You can see that the first multiple unlocking artificial automation. So let's start it with a simple but powerful question. What exactly are AI agents? AI agents are artificial intelligence software that entirely don't just sit there waiting for a command. They observe, they think, and they act all autonomously work. That's it. AI agents. They were autonomous operation. They complete tasks without needing constant of human inputs. It's goal driven. They are precious in actions. Goal driven, they work towards the clear object, adapting and changing the conditions. Precision and action, they watch the environment take meaningful step, meet the goal. Oh, not all AI agents create equally. There are types of AI agent. You can see in a slide view, the type of AI agent. Now, not all the agents are created equally. There are several types is there, and each have own strength based on what it built for it. Simple reflex agents react what happening right now, and model based reflect AI agent use the memory to interrupt unseen aspect. In goal based AI agent equivalent to future action here is the goal. One of type utility based agent. I- It's go to the long goals. They choose the best way to who prefer learning agents. Those are smart. They improve with the every task while learning from the past. From the basic reflex of self-improving learning AI agents, its type of play, unique role, and autonomous. Every AI agent has a key component. You can see in a key component of AI agent. Every AI agent has a four component. They add think like a brain, eyes, and muscle and memory. The system is in recognition and action and learning. These are the core component of the agent. Decision is a sensor or data input to understand the environment. And recognition is a planning and reasoning, often powered by LLM models like ChatGPT. The action, the output or tool they can use, they get things done or learning. How they grow over the time become the more efficiently. It's learn. These are all four component of ABA agents. But together we element to create truly intelligent system, not just autonomous but thinking assistant. In the slides, well, inheritance comes in. Now that we understand the AI agents are what, then next we can understand the inheritance. What is the inheritance? It's talk about how to build visual and easy without code using inheritance. Inheritance is it's like a canvas. Canvas you can draw your art like an artist. Inheritance. Anything, let's connect the AI model data source, APIs, and workflows using the drag and drop blocks. In the next module, we show it step by step how to do this and make own AI automation for smart automations. It's helpful for you. So wrap up this model one. We just taken the first step toward mastering the AI agents. Next, we dive into the how actually build them anything from scratch.